Thanks for joining Rolling with Adventure again. We're heading off to Pioneer, Ohio to a new campground with part of the family. But if you haven't clicked subscribe, how about you give us a shot or tell your friends and see how you like us. Make sure doors and windows are closed and we're hooked up and ready to go. Double check underneath so we don't drag anything. We've only done that once or twice ever. Mom's coming in here. We got 3 out of 5 kids. Well, that one's at church camp. One decided not to go. Nothing new. We're heading down to River's Edge campground.
Can we just camp on the pontoon?
Oh, there's a water park.
The place is called River's Edge. Okay, so it's a very nice store in here. Looks like it was redone, or they keep it very clean. Well, it looks like we got a campsite. It's kind of far away from the water. Well, Colton is up, and we're at our campsite. There's very nice shade, nice big tree. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Ah! What's the other one? Oh no! Ah!
The tour of the campground starts now.
I think you'll be okay.
I don't want to. Yeah.
Mom, do you see anything?
Yeah, go through the tunnel. Good job. You're so smart.
I see it. I see light.
No. Linky, we'll go down the slide.
No.
Go. Get your butt up there so you can get going.
Yeah, so
Watch
you
your
can
head so you don't bounce it. Don't push up there a little bit. Get up there. Yeah. Oh, I just bounced my head off of it. He's so big. That's now our new scooter. It's working out really well. We've had one for 2 years after they've probably put 300 miles on these things.
Just remember he's going to be.
No shoes though.
I know that. It says no.
Slippery from the rain.
What you doing? Oh, yay!
I got you.
Jump, jump! Yay! Alright, so we're gonna try to go fishing in this pond. It's the fishing pond. There's another one. There's gotta be bass. So, turtle. I'm gonna call it because it's starting to get windy out, and I don't want to be stuck in the rain. So Lincoln and Dad are already heading up. I think I'm gonna follow their lead because, yeah, it's starting to get windy out.
But you need to tell Daddy. Say, excuse me, more please. Thank you, Daddy.
Very good. Oh.
Okay, the rain's now starting to really come down. So we were like, oh, Dad was like, oh, we're gonna go on a walk. Yeah, we were like, let's go on a walk, and then all of a sudden it started pouring.
Yeah. Pouring rain.
Wait,
Mine is a.
oh no,
Oh,
not full.
oh, it's cards.
Yeah, it's
I forgot.
You gotta
Good.
stack it as high as possible.
Oh, I gosh, spring.
Weight on it. Told you there wasn't enough weight.
I might actually lose the way this is set up.
Yeah.
Here. Oh!
You lost!
It's probably down there. Right here. Good. Wow, you did good. So you get to pick. How you doing? Oh yeah. Stay on the track. Oh yeah. Going airborne. Checkpoint. Here. Oh, scratched. Who won? Who did?
You!
That's right. Yeah. What are we doing for dinner?
Walking tacos.
With what kind of meat? How about we open this up and lock it with venison? You gotta go under there and grab the line and plug it in down there. Push. Nope, push the sleeve in. Pull that straight. Perfect.
Ooh, okay.
Hot?
Yeah, put your hand over.
Okay. Woo.
Oh yeah? Well, you'll be okay.
Yeah. Okay, up first we have onion powder.
I'm gonna tap it because it's. I don't know if GoPro can see you now.
Chili powder. Chili powder's next.
Lots of chili powder. And slowly. Keep going. That's good.
Next up is cumin.
Not as much chili powder. Okay, that's good.
Salt.
And then turn it down just a little bit because remember you want it to slowly cook, especially because it's venison.
Alright. What are you doing, Colton? Wait, Dad, where'd the fire go?
Huh?
Where'd the fire go?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Who fixed it? No. I fixed it. You started it. I made the actual fire.
Once again, we're taking out our collapsible rods. If you like them, we're going to try the fishing lake here at the campground shop.
Fishing pond.
We got one. Did you get it?
I think this is meant for it.
Get it? Get it?
Oh, I cooked it right on the top.
Oh boy.
Well,
Tied up another lure and it ended up way out there. So we just tied it back on, another one, and we're back at it.
Well, we would like to thank you for watching. It was a really fun time here. We had a good time. Don't forget to click subscribe on Roll Adventure. See you next time.